Popular reggae recording artist Jacques remained behind bar in Netherlands after court appearance. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Jamaican recording artist Jacques will continue serving his 6-year sentence for attempted manslaughter in the Netherlands after a judge made this ruling on Tuesday. The longing-for singer appeared in court on Tuesday for a pro forma hearing. He is scheduled to return to court on November the 1st. Yesterday was another pro forma hearing date where the judge decided on the continuation of the incarceration. The court has also decided to keep Jacques incarcerated, according to the press office at the Public Prosecution Office to the Court of Appeals in Netherlands told reporters on Tuesday. In March 2022, Jacques, aged 43 years old, renamed Signature All Clock, was acquitted of attempted murder charge, but was convicted of a lesser offense of attempted manslaughter on March 22 in relation to the stabbing of a promoter over unpaid money in October 2021. He was sentenced to 6 years in prison in the Netherlands. Following the sentence, Dutch prosecutors appealed to the Court of Appeal against the acquittal of the attempted murder charge. There is still no hearing date scheduled for a new trial, so Jacques could find himself with a longer prison sentence if prosecutors have their way. In the meantime, he is sitting in limbo. There is no substantial hearing date set as yet, hence a pro forma hearing was held. According to Dutch law, in the pro forma hearing, while an inmate is awaiting a court date for an actual trial, a judge has to decide about the incarceration, whether to keep the suspect incarcerated or not. Every 90 days, these pro forma hearings are held. Once they have looked over all the files, which goes through several administrative processes after the trial, the hearing will be planned. The Court of Appeal looks over the case again after their ruling and overruling the previous ruling by the District Court. Jacques is no stranger to the criminal justice system, as he has had other brushes with the law. He was first convicted of rape and illegal possession of firearm in April 1999 and served 8 years of a 15-year prison sentence. He was released in July 2007. Jacques is known for hits such as Longing For, Love Is and True Reflection, Prison Wall. His 2015 album The Cure, which included songs as That Girl, Rasta, and Life We Live, earned him a Grammy nomination for Best Reggae Album that year. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.